2019 ba kuɗi ba sai dai a danne mu a yanka. Za mu dangwala maka da jininmu.
Without doubt, President Muhammadu Buhari enjoys tremendous support, solidarity and goodwill from the various stakeholders in the Hausa film industry, otherwise referred to as Kannywood. Although the event was put together by the Nigerian leader to show appreciation for the entertainers, however, comprising musicians, producers and actors, it is an opportunity to renew their allegiance to the change agenda.
We believe in his leadership. He is somebody that is committed to the development of this country.
We are here to show our support, 100% for his second tenure.
We have to support him because of good governance for Nigerian and Nigerians.
President Muhammadu Buhari formally expressed gratitude to the Kannywood entertainers for their love and significant contributions to his political aspirations so far, saying,